Stop right there. If you're over 60 and still drinking plain water every day, I need to warn you. You might be slowly killing your testosterone. Yes, you heard that right. Something as innocent as plain water could be one of their reasons your energy has faded, your drive has slowed, and your performance in the bedroom isn't what it used to be. I know this sounds shocking, even ridiculous, but stay with me because what I'm about to reveal might completely change the way you look at something as simple as a glass of water. I'm Dr. Mojit Kara, a urologist and men's health specialist with over 30 years of experience helping men just like you regain their strength, vitality, and confidence naturally. I've spent decades studying how aging affects male hormones and blood flow, and I've seen one truth over and over again. It's not about how much water you drink. It's about what's missing from it. Here's the paradox. Most men believe that hydration is the key to staying healthy. 8 glasses a day, right? But the truth is, plain water doesn't give your body what it needs to produce testosterone or restore proper blood circulation. You're drinking plenty, yet your energy keeps dipping and your masculinity keeps fading. Today, I'll show you how one simple change in your water can completely reignite your body's natural testosterone engine, restore your blood flow, and bring back the power you thought was gone for good. And make sure you stay with me because in just a moment, I'll reveal the first natural ingredient that can turn your ordinary water into a powerful testosterone boosting elixir for men over 60. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another tip that keeps your energy, testosterone, and vitality strong after 60, and I'd love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 and tell me how I can make the next one even better for you. Alright, let's get straight into it. Most men over 60 believe that drinking more water keeps them healthy. But here's the truth. Plain water alone isn't helping your testosterone or circulation. In fact, it might be holding you back. Let me explain exactly why your body needs more than hydration. Plain water isn't helping you anymore. Plain water isn't helping you anymore. Let me tell you something that shocks most of my patients the first time they hear it. Drinking plain water after 60 may actually slow down the very system's responsible for your energy, your testosterone, and even your performance in bed. I know it sounds impossible. You've been told your whole life to drink 8 glasses a day to stay hydrated. But what if I told you that hydration alone isn't enough to keep your body thriving anymore? Here's the truth. As we age, our body chemistry changes. When you were younger, water alone could keep your cells active, your circulation sharp, and your hormones balanced. But after 50 or 60, your nitric oxide levels, the key molecule that controls blood flow and testosterone function, start to plummet. And plain water doesn't give your body any of the raw materials it needs to rebuild that system. You can drink gallons and still feel sluggish, heavy, or flat in the mornings. I see it every day in my clinic. Men who think they're doing everything right, but still wonder why their drive, stamina, and confidence are fading. What your body truly needs isn't just hydration. It's activation. It needs fuel, nutrients that can reignite your nitric oxide production and help your blood vessels open, your heart pump freely, and your testosterone begin to work again the way it was meant to. And the good news is you can turn this around fast. You just have to stop drinking plain water and start drinking smart water. Water with natural ingredients that rebuild your body from the inside out. Now, you're probably wondering what should you add to your water to bring back that youthful power? Let's start with the first ingredient, the one that can supercharge your circulation and testosterone within just a few days. And yes, it's sitting right in your kitchen. The hidden connection between water and testosterone too. The hidden connection between water and testosterone. When I first began studying men's health decades ago, I never imagined that something as simple as water could affect a man's testosterone levels. But after years of research and working with patients, I saw a pattern that changed how I look at hydration forever. Men who drank plenty of plain water still struggled with low energy, low drive, and poor blood flow. They were hydrated, yes, but they weren't nourished. Their bodies were missing the key signals that the brain and glands to produce testosterone. You see, testosterone isn't just a hormone. It's a communication system. It depends on proper circulation, oxygen, and nutrient delivery. And none of that happens without healthy blood flow. Think of your bloodstream as a highway that carries everything your body needs to stay strong. Oxygen, nutrients, hormones. But over time, that highway starts to slow down. The walls stiffen, the flow weakens, and the traffic, your hormones can't get where they need to go. That's when you start to feel it. Your muscles shrink. Your motivation fades. Your mornings lose their spark. And here's where most men get it wrong. They assume water alone will keep that system healthy. But plain water doesn't widen your blood vessels. It doesn't boost nitric oxide. And it doesn't trigger testosterone production. It keeps you from drying out, but it doesn't make you come alive. What your body truly needs is circulation. It needs the kind of hydration that brings oxygen, nutrients, and hormones together like a perfectly tuned orchestra. I remember one of my patients, a 68-year-old man named Richard. He told me, "Doc, I drink water all day, but I still feel tired and heavy." After just a few weeks of adding the right natural boosters to his water, his energy returned, his blood pressure improved, and his morning confidence came back stronger than ever. That's when it hit him. He didn't need more water. He needed better water. And now I want to show you exactly what I gave Richard. The first natural ingredient that can turn your ordinary water into a powerful testosterone and circulation booster. It's simple, delicious, and you probably already have it in your kitchen right now. The first upgrade, beetroot. The very first ingredient I recommend every man over 60 add to his water is beetroot. It's simple, natural, and yet incredibly powerful. Most men overlook it because it seems too ordinary, just a red root your grandmother might have cooked for dinner. But beetroot is one of the most effective tools I've ever used to help men restore circulation, energy, and performance without a single pill. When I first started testing beetroot on me patients, I was skeptical myself. But the science behind it was undeniable. Beetroot is packed with natural nitrates, compounds your body converts into nitric oxide, the very molecular that controls blood flow, oxygen delivery, and even testosterone function. Think of nitric oxide as the messenger that tells your blood vessels to open up to let life flow through your body again. When nitric oxide levels are high, your heart works easier. Your brain gets sharper, and yes, your manhood responds the way it used to. I'll never forget one of my longtime patients, Tom. He was 72, active but frustrated because his workouts felt harder and his intimacy had declined. It suggested he start his mornings with a glass of water mixed with 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Within a week, heckled me and said, "Doc, I don't know what's happening, but I feel alive again." His face looked brighter, his energy steadier, his confidence completely renewed. That's what happens when blood starts moving freely again. What makes beetroot even more remarkable is how quickly it works. Just 1 glass can begin to improve circulation within hours. It's not caffeine. It's not a stimulant. It's your own biology waking back up. That's why I call it the first step to turning plain water into power water. But here's the catch. While beetroot creates nitric oxide, it doesn't protect it. Once your body makes it, nitric oxide can break down fast. And that's why the next ingredient I'm about to share with you is so critical. It's the perfect partner for beetroot. The one that keeps your nitric oxide levels stable and your testosterone supported all day long. For the nitric oxide protector, pomegranate. The nitric oxide protector of beetroot is the spark that turns your circulation back on. Then pomegranate is the guardian that keeps that spark live. This fruit has been celebrated for thousands of years as a symbol of vitality, strength, and even passion. And modern science now shows exactly why. Pomegranate is packed with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, which act like bodyguards for your nitric oxide. Once your body produces this vital molecule, pomegranate steps in to protect it from breaking down too quickly, so it stays active longer, keeping your blood vessels open and your energy flowing freely. I remember a patient of mine named Henry. He was 65, retired, and frustrated that no matter what he did, exercise, supplements, diet, his energy kept dipping. I asked him one simple question. How often do you eat anything that truly nourishes your blood? He looked confused. I suggested he start adding a tablespoon of pure pomegranate extract to his morning beetroot water. 2 weeks later, he came into my office smiling from ear to ear. "Doc," he said, "I didn't know what you did, but I feel like my body's running on premium fuel." His blood pressure improved, his workouts felt smoother, and his intimate confidence quietly returned. That's what happens when your nitric oxide doesn't just rise, it stays active. Pomegranate does more than just protect nitric oxide. It also supports testosterone production,